Hey, good morning and good afternoon to all of you wherever you're watching from all over the world. As you guys know that our channel uploads video on specific topic to related to your digital media life and social media life. So we welcome all of you once again in our YouTube channel, and we hope that you all are doing and having best of the best of yourselves. So as you know that our channel also works on like personal development of a person, and when it comes to personal growth, if you are a student and you are having your affairs of education, if you find any difficulty to create your assignment or quizzes more effective, then this video will is just for you. In this video we will see that how you can get the right text direct from books according to your question, according to your query, and you will get the reference of the book, the publishing date and the writer of the book, and direct you can also even go to the book page directly, so you can even mention this thing also. So just to make your quizzes more like appealing towards the teacher and just to create your assignments more creative, this video will help you a lot. So just dig it into today's video. But if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, so please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that next time you will never ever gonna miss any of the update. So we just have to go to the Google just like this. So let's suppose you have to make an assignment that is basically related to your job interviews, and you have to uh, create an assignment on how you can ace in job interviews, how you can give a good interview or this and that. So for this reason, but first we have to go to the talk to books. You just have to write on talk to books, and it just came over here. And this is basically a part of Google, not a part of it's not a different website, it's basically a part of Google. So you can tap on it, like the very first link that is basically of Google one. So you just have to tap on it. Here we are in the website, and here you can see that this page appears in front of you. Basically they you can browse the passages from books using experimental. So here you can not a traditional search, like it's not you can search on Google this and that. You can know, you have to use your natural language, and you can you just have to write a simple query. So let's suppose I have to get the information about how to ace in interviews, or how to ace interviews. So the loading will appear, and you can see that directly I got some passages from directly books, different books. The very first one is questionnaire design, and these are like they also show you that from this design how to plan, structure and write survey material and current events, and what was the publishing date and who wrote this book. And then you also like the highlighted one is the needed one, and you can check all of these books. And Webster New College Dictionary. So here you can see all of them. You can directly connect your, you can copy from here. You can check all of them, whatever attracts you the most, copy it in your phone. And you can write down on your assignments and view. You can also tap on view in book. This means that you will directly go to the page of the book. So here you can see that I am on the book page, and you can even see the number of your page, and you can search that what you have searched and which page it belongs. So this is like a tool that is really creative one, because I don't think so most of the people know about it. So this is the interesting feature of Google that allows you like a web kind of website, and it helps you a lot to got passages from different books all over the world. You just have to put a query of your thing, your required material, and they will provide you in just one touch. So if this video is going to be helpful for you, and if you like this video, give a huge thumbs up, and comment if you have any question, any query regarding this video or any other video. Then and till the next video uploaded, stay connected, stay together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till the next video. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. And before leaving this page, if you have any request regarding any of the video, any of the app, you can tell us in comment box below. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.